Hey guys, what's up? LB Trader here with another daily recap video. Okay, yeah, basically I think you guys have been wondering, right, what has happened over the past few days. So yeah, just a quick one to show you, right? I'm currently in a motel. Okay, as you can see. Maybe I can give you a quick look around. I'm in Australia now. Okay, then you can see typical motel in Australia, right? So, yep, currently here in Australia. Currently now at Newcastle, driving up to the Gold Coast tomorrow. Right, so yep, let me do a quick recap on what has happened for the past 2 days. So I think the previous video, my latest one, I actually took a loser. So let's take a look at that, alright? I'll zoom back, zoom back. Yep, this is the one, right? So this was the previous video that I posted and say why was there a crazy movement here. This volume is just crazy. So eventually I found out, right, it might be due to the news that actually came out talking Trump talking about wanting to fire the Fed John, I think it's what's this, what, Powell, something Powell lah. So yeah, then that's why maybe that's the reason why there was a crazy movement here. Let me change to focus mode. All right. Now back to the next day, right? What actually happened? Based on price action itself, it seems like it is making a downtrend, right? So if that's the case, I will look for sell setups. Okay, so I'll just zoom back to that day again. Right, so we'll do candle by candle, right? I'll wait for it to retrace. So let's see, yeah. Okay, it came down, came up. Okay, if it came up, I'm waiting for it to come down again, or maybe double bullish, double bearish candle, strong ones. Okay, this is actually quite strong, right? This candle here currently is actually quite strong, but the problem is it is a news candle. Okay, this is at 8:30, so there was a news on Thursday, so it's a bit hard to show you on the phone, but you can scroll back to that day, right? On Thursday there's a high impact news. Okay, then it went down even further, and the retracement actually came. All right, the retracement came. If the retracement came, what I'm looking for is a double bearish candle. So now it came back again. All right, sorry about that. It came back here, right? This candle came back again, but unfortunately nothing happened. I actually thought that of actually taking a setup on this candle here as well, at this line. Right, I wanted to do a setup on this candle here, but eventually I didn't. So if you can see, I actually put a position size here, but I didn't take it in the end. Right, so I'll just delete that. And because I think I was also pretty tired on that day, I decided to just forget it and sleep lah. So I didn't take a trade, and good for me, right? I didn't take a trade because I didn't really waste my time per se. Right? It came down, the retracement came up, but it didn't go down further. In fact, it broke this high here, right? It broke this high here, over here, right? So since it break, technically it's already become an uptrend. So now the setup actually changed to an uptrend. But at midnight here, so this is the midnight candle, right? The retracement actually came. Now I'm looking at it here, right? The retracement came here. Okay, there was a retracement here, but the bullish candle happened here, which is about 11:25, a bit too late in the session. I also predict that nothing much will happen lah. Usually, when I take setup at 11 p.m., nothing much will happen. Okay, so that's for Thursday. So we'll move on to the next day, which is on Friday. Right, let's go. So I'm doing two recaps at one shot because I did both days I didn't take any trade, to be honest. All right, so this is what happened. Okay, so in the beginning it made a downtrend, but eventually it make a uptrend now. Okay, so if that's the case, I'll take the latest one, which is an uptrend. So let's see. Alright, uptrend market. So let's see whether I can find any setup. So for this, I also went to sleep lah. I was damn tired. I've been driving up and down, so I'm super tired. Tomorrow, even tomorrow, right? Tomorrow I'm going to drive like about 7.5 hours, right, all the way up to Gold Coast. Now I'm currently in Newcastle, so you can imagine how far is it. It's going to be about at least 600 to 900 kilometers. I definitely need to top up my petrol at least once. Right, so let's get it. Right, so yep, uptrend. So I'll wait for it to retrace when the session actually open. So let's see, right? Session has, where is it? Where is it? Okay, session open. Still making an uptrend. So I'm waiting for your retracement. Okay, retracement kind of happened here. As you can see, right? So just focus on the right side here, right? Just focus on the latest candle. It's a bit hard for me to show you on my phone. But let's see, came up, came up, came up. Okay, down. Now this is a good retracement. Now I'm waiting for two bullish candles. So let's see, right, whether do I get my two bullish candles. Okay, these two is a bullish candle. Let's see how strong is it. Alright, by right, these look strong. Okay, these two candles, this one. I might actually take a setup of these two candles. Okay, so if let's say I take a setup, if I take a setup here, so I use this. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, here stop loss. I might put it under here. Let's see. Does it make sense? 1 2 0 2 1 2 3 1. Okay, that looks fine. Right. So let's see how it goes. Right. If I take a uptrend setup, okay, this low has been broken. Right. It has been broken by this candle here. So most likely it's going to be a losing trade. So let's see what happens further on until midnight. Okay, this is midnight. Is that? Yeah, this is midnight. Yep. So end of the day is still a losing trade. If let's say I already took a trade, but fortunately for me, I was so tired, I didn't take this trade. So good on for me, right? I didn't take this trade. Right, so yeah, that's a recap I have for you for both Thursday and Friday. So this week I only took two trades. Right, Monday I was flying. I didn't take a trade there because I was about to board the plane. So I thought it was quite risky, so I didn't take a trade. But eventually it hit a 1R, I think about almost 1.2R. But yeah, I didn't take it, so no profit for me. Next day I got a profit of 1R. That is because I uh, I forgot to switch off my 12 a.m. alarm. So I nailed a profit that was lucky on me. Then next day on Wednesday, I think, yeah, on Wednesday I found another trade, took it, and yep, give me a minute.